How can you build home automation with Arduino programming? Imagine turning your house into a smart home where lights, fans, or even your coffee maker respond to your commands or environmental changes. That's what home automation with Arduino programming can do for you. It's a fun and practical way to make everyday life easier and more efficient. First, you need an Arduino microcontroller, like the Arduino Uno. It acts as the brain of your system. The Arduino Uno runs at 5 volts and has digital and analog pins to connect sensors and actuators. You also need a stable power supply, usually a 5-volt regulated power source. You can use a 9-volt battery with a voltage regulator or a 12-volt DC adapter to keep everything running smoothly. To control household devices like lamps or fans, you'll need relays or metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors. These act as electronic switches that can handle high voltage and current. The Arduino sends signals to these components to turn devices on or off safely. For example, a relay module can switch a 120-volt lamp on or off without risking damage to your microcontroller. Sensors are optional but very useful. You can add motion detectors to turn on lights when someone enters a room. Temperature sensors can activate fans if the room gets too hot. Light-dependent resistors can help turn on outdoor lights when it gets dark. These sensors provide data that your Arduino can read and use to automate actions based on real-world conditions. For remote control, you can add a Bluetooth module like the HC05. It communicates wirelessly with your smartphone. You can send simple commands, such as turning on a light or starting a fan, directly from your phone. To do this, you write code in the Arduino Integrated Development Environment, which is free and easy to use. Your code will include instructions to read sensor inputs and respond to commands from the Bluetooth module. You can program the Arduino to turn devices on or off based on sensor data or user commands. For example, if the temperature sensor detects a high temperature, the Arduino can activate a fan automatically. You can also develop or find a smartphone app that pairs with your Bluetooth module. This app lets you manually control devices or set schedules. For instance, you could set your lights to turn on at sunset or your coffee maker to start brewing in the morning. When designing your system, it's important to keep safety in mind. Make sure all components operate within their voltage and current limits. Use proper isolation techniques when working with high-voltage loads to protect your Arduino and yourself. Proper grounding and noise filtering are also key to reliable operation. Use secure and sturdy connections with header pins and terminal blocks. This makes troubleshooting easier and allows you to expand your system later. Always test your setup thoroughly to ensure Bluetooth connectivity works well, devices respond correctly, and everything is safe to use. By combining these hardware parts and programming skills, you can create a home automation system that is both affordable and customizable. It allows you to control appliances remotely or automatically, making your home more convenient and energy efficient.